Heartburn, heavy stomach, bloating, and sleepiness are part of your daily life? Did you know that 3 cheap and easy-to-find herbs can solve all these issues? We are talking about mint, fennel, and marjoram. If you want to treat your poor or slow digestion, the best thing is to try the recipe of today's video. Have you ever heard that peppermint or mint can help your stomach? Peppermint and mint are from the same family and can help with digestion. Peppermint tea helps reduce bloating, avoids flatulence, and fights uncomfortable stomach cramps. But besides peppermint, today's recipe includes marjoram and fennel. Have you ever thought about combining these 3 herbs? Marjoram accelerates digestion and reduces the sensation of digestive cramps. Fennel avoids bloating caused by gas and also fights acidity. Are you ready to learn how to make this infusion and improve your digestion? Write down the ingredients. 1 cup of water, 8.5 ounces, 1 tablespoon of the mixture of the 3 herbs, honey if you want to sweeten your tea. In a bowl, add a tablespoon, 0.5 ounces of the herbs, marjoram, peppermint, and fennel. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, and add the tablespoon of herb mix. Turn off the heat and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Wait until warm, then strain and drink. You can drink this tea immediately after eating. If you have slow digestion, you can drink up to 2 cups of this tea per day to improve the symptoms. But don't go thinking that excess food is the only thing that hinders your digestion. Even your mood can affect it. Other factors, such as food intolerances or too much fat in your diet, are harmful to digestion. If your case doesn't improve with time, you may even gain a few extra pounds. Now that you know how to improve your digestion with easy ingredients, give this tea a try and come back to share your opinions in the comments section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.